I got to participate in the secret Valentine from Heat Transfer Warehouse, and my gift is from Delonda. Let's see what it is. First, we open it up, and I have some super cute stickers, and they actually say the crafty brick on them, and they're in my favorite colors, the pink, red, black. So cute. I love it. Let's see what else is here. Oh my gosh, red silky socks with the crafty brick and dancing queen and crafty girl. How cute. She knows I love to dance. And then the key to my heart is bling. Look at this. It's a shirt with one of the templates that she designed. Look at that sparkle. I love this. And let's see what else we have in here. Some snacks. I love to have snacks, and they're red. Courtney's Crafting Snacks. Thank you so much, Delonda. This was so thoughtful. I just had to get in a little bit closer so you guys could see the attention to detail that she put into this project. She knows I love the color red, and it was all throughout the package with the red and the pink stickers. She knows I love bling, and this t-shirt is everything. And then these socks, Crafty Tuesday, Dancing Queen, the Crafty Brick. It's just so cute. Thank you so much, Delonda. Happy Valentine's Day.